Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys, it's me, Pro again, back to another video. Today I will be playing LSP. So yeah, I do not know what to do. Literally, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. It's my first time playing and it was recording on a computer. So yeah, yes. I'm not telling you how I'm recording because it's just a test trade. So yeah. If you guys know who is Ashley 503 Backup, she is my BFF from real life, but she got hacked by her cousin, so it's not my fault. And yeah, I'm trying to get. How is it doing? And this is XX Lover Cutie. She got scammed by XX Skyla XX2 trying to hack her because he scammed a lot of people. And I can't, so I'm maxing my BFF because she can't. And she stole my drip hat. I hate her so much. She stole my shoes. She stole everything. Except for his hair, wings. I'm recording for like 1 minute. So fast. Okay, so I do not know what to do literally. Yes, oh my god. Okay, so guys, I'm giving away an account. It's kind of really and yeah. So the name is, we already have stuff in it, so I doubt anyone would want this. Sunshine Bears 04. I'm slow typing. Okay, is it? She's a little someone. She's a noob account. I don't know why someone would want this. Oh my gosh. The heck? Oh. Wait. Okay, I can't even put my volume up for some reason. And yeah, this is the account, and the password is LOL123 like this. The password is LOL123. Oh my gosh, why can't I type up? Okay, LOL123. That's the password. Sorry guys, it's so laggy because this is a computer I'm using. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, this is just a test video I'm doing to record on my computer, on this computer I'm using. So yeah guys, bye.